What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today, you guys, we have one of my lovely friends, and she's coming to get her nails done for the first time. You guys, I have a lot to talk about in this video, but before I do that, I want to go ahead and let you guys know that it has been a pleasure to be uploading these videos and to have you guys' interactions. For all the new people that I have met on YouTube and on Instagram, thank you guys so much. This video will be a quick one, but it's going to be like loaded. So buckle up, get ready, hold on tight. Anyways, you guys, so a few things. One, let me know how you guys are going to be enjoying me doing double upload videos of like different, like slow, like I don't know how to say it, you guys. Okay, so double upload video days, but less long videos, so like shorter videos twice a day. I don't know, I didn't plan out what I was gonna say, but let me know how you guys will enjoy that. Basically uploading shorter videos but 2 videos a day. So like instead of having 2 videos a day but doing them longer, or do you guys like 2 videos a day but long videos? Definitely give me some feedback, because I'm still trying to figure out my posting schedule, and no, it's not going anywhere. Like, I need more feedback. I know a couple of you guys said you watch videos all day long just like me, and oh my god, I love you guys so much. You're so awesome. But yeah, just let me know, because I want to do like shorter videos twice a day on some days, and then I want to do certain times where we do like tutorials that are longer, or watch me work videos. What do you guys want to see? I haven't had acrylic on my channel in a while, so I'm gonna be having acrylic very soon. But anyways, get into this nail set. So we are working on her prep. We're just etching her nails a bit. I usually start off with all of my clients very gentle if they're new. That means that I'm not going to go in and really etch up their nails too much, or I want to more or less get a gauge of the temperament of their nail beds. So I always tell them, I'm gonna do a light prep, and if we have good retention, that'll be great. If we don't have good retention, then we'll do a little bit of a more deeper prep. So that's what we're doing for her. And she actually is the first client that I've ever had that has she is a diabetic. So you have to be very, very careful with your diabetic clients. She has a lot of sad stories of experiences that she's had at nail salons, or that her friends have had. And I'm not sure if you guys know, I'm sure you probably do, but if you don't, especially if you're self-taught or DIY or diabetic, well, if you're diabetic, you for sure know, but if you're DIY and self-taught and you don't know, then with the diabetic customers, if they have any open incisions to their skin that is not treated properly or immediately, I'm assuming, I believe because of their blood condition or what have you, that they will be easily prone to infections, which will actually manifest rather quickly compared to, like, for instance, a normal person getting a cut or something like that. And it basically, I'm assuming, I don't know a lot because I'm not really into like all the medical stuff about it, but basically they become imbalanced, and they have to seek immediate medical attention, like amputations and things like that, to keep the infections from spreading throughout the body. The list goes on. It's really a dark tunnel. And so just be careful with your diabetic clients and show them extra love and care. You guys are going to see that on this set. I actually didn't get super close to the cuticle at all at any point, just in case she did have a small cut that we didn't see. And in the end result, it wasn't as flawless as I would have liked, but that was because I wasn't getting too close up to the cuticle. I was also using the light beige builder gel by Madam Glam, which this was my second time using it, but my first time using it for a builder gel set. And we did some red bottom nails, so you guys are going to see the end result, but they came out super simple, pretty. It was my first time ever doing a square set that was short in this length. It was my first time ever doing like some kind of red bottom set on one of my clients, And it was my first time doing an outline set on one of my clients. It was my first time doing a full builder gel set that was like not just like a short length, well, like a super short length, but like more of a little bit longer. Everything was new. I took it all in, but constructive criticism is I probably would have just capped it with a clear acrylic or a clear polygel instead of just, or maybe even a couple of layers of, I would have floated over a couple of layers of base coat gel. I think that when you're working on a client, it's like you want to try to be as quick as possible, you know, because you want them to come back, you want them to be happy. Even if I would have probably pulled out like a little bit of hard gel, that would have been perfect too. And so those are things just to give her more strength, because she gave me some feedback and she likes to use her nails to work. So then I should have made them a bit stronger because they were a builder gel set. But other than that, everything came out really good. Nothing was flawless, but everything came out like perfect, if that makes sense. Oh, my girl cat. My cats are out. My boy cat's mad at my girl cat because she was gone, but now she's back. So now she's whining to let us know she's here. I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, you guys, I did not include filing in this video because I'm tired of seeing filing in my videos. So anyways, here we are. And we're going in with, so this is the Nail Reserve Goddess color, and OMG, it's the same color that we used on the bottoms too. It's such a beautiful color. One thing I would say is like I have to learn on my outline nails like exactly where to start. I don't know, my outlines were okay, they were a little sloppy, I will say, because I knew that she was gonna pretty much be happy no matter what I did. I took advantage of that to an extreme. like, I took advantage of it in the sense that I didn't obsess over perfection, because she wasn't obsessed over perfection. And I just did the best that I could to see literally like how it turned out and to get her feedback. Oh, sorry guys, my alarm. But I'm excited for when she comes back to see overall how everything went. And I did do another girl's nails. I didn't film it because it was just a super simple set. But it turns out that I believe I actually didn't prep hers rough enough, because all of her nails fell off. And I think she needed an acrylic set instead of a builder gel set or a gel polish set. So I'm learning and growing and seeing what works for my clients. And I think if you always just give them that disclaimer, like, listen, if anything happens, just come back and let me know. Because you're new, I really just want to do a light prep and see how it goes, gauge the temperament of your nail beds and things like that. And by the way, you guys, this was not, it sort of was supposed to be a nude, but I told her, I was like, we can try to match a nude for you, or we can just use this one and see how it turns out. And she's like, just use that one. And then on one of the thumbs, I didn't add a thick enough layer. It was not perfect, but I think it was like the last thumb, and we were both like, come on girl, just get it done, let's go. We didn't say it, but we could feel it. Like, we want to just see the finished product. And then I really wanted, this set would have been over the top, you guys, if I would have blinged it out, but I didn't have the bling, so we just kept it simple with that little bling. Tell me what you guys think of the result, and I'll talk to you guys in a new one soon. Bye guys.